me. Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, I had another fun day of fishing. Did some more frog fishing at Saguaro, and I'm happy to report that the hookup ratio is improving. I think I got probably 60% of the fish, or 60% of the hits actually probably landed today, maybe 50 to 60, which is definitely an improvement over the 25 to 30 I was getting the previous trip. So that's great. What has changed? Well, basically two things changed for me. I settled on a heavy rod. So got my Kistler heavy fast action rod here, and the other thing that changed was the hook. So I got some comments from my previous video that said, yeah, you should probably stick to the single hook instead of the double hook on these poured plastics. So I did that. Switched, went to a single, and it definitely worked out better. The two frogs that got the most action for me today were this Zoom horny toad and kind of a red kind of plum top, and chartreuse and green bottom. The second frog that I got a lot of my action on and early was this Strike King Rage Toad, I believe it's called. And as you can see, the tail is actually split off pretty good here from getting abused by the bass. But alright, so the other thing I tried out today was basically a light. I had bought this light off of Amazon. Basically has a GoPro mount on the top of it and the bottom, and the reason being is I wanted to try to get some nighttime footage. And how did it work? Okay. I definitely don't like a lot of light at night, and this thing's pretty bright. So, and the bugs were out in force last night, so had some limited use of it. But and it kind of lit me up pretty good as far as coverage. But beyond that, you really couldn't see the water, or the frogs hit, the bass hitting the lures and things like that. But maybe that's enough. I mean, how much light can you, do you really want out there? So I guess you'll see from some of the video footage there. I tried it out, and there was a few night shots there where I turned the GoPro on, which normally you can't get anything in the dark. So but yeah, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna keep trying it. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see some nighttime shots, some nighttime videos, because definitely in the summer here, that's pretty much when I'm fishing, is nighttime or very early morning, and then get the heck out of there because it's hot and the lake is busy. But hey, enjoy the video. Appreciate you watching. fish. Healthy fish. Calm down. They are annihilating my frog, which is a good thing. Like it. Thank you. Alright. I don't care who you are. If you can't get excited about a topwater frog, bass on a frog, then you just can't get excited. I mean, that's freaking awesome. When they blow up on it, you pound the hook into it. Love my Kistler rod. Thing just sets it, pulls it out of the grass. Hey, get out, do some frog fishing. It's definitely working right now. This was at Saguaro, but you know, it'll do it at Canyon too and some other places. Just gotta have some patience and find the right spots. But I enjoy it. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Get out, enjoy your outdoors, and be safe, and have fun, and go catch some fish. Please leave your comments below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to. I appreciate it. But let me know what you think. Take care, guys. Till next time.